Right, we're back at school, Mews. I'll show you the progress so far. Quite a difference now. So all this wall's been plasterboarded. The ceiling is ready now for the plasterer. Give that a quick skim. The window wall over there is being tiled. That's being tiled. That's being plastered. So the first fix is all sorted for the wash basin, the bath, the shower. This boxing in is all being tiled. We've made a start with the tiling while we're just waiting for the plasterer. That's about as far as we can go. So once he's finished, we can finish off all the tiling. See you on the next video.